Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. Doctor On Demand, accessible through the website drondemand.com, offers a convenient platform for virtual healthcare. This online service connects patients with board-certified physicians, psychologists, and psychiatrists through video visits. It aims to provide accessible and affordable healthcare for a range of non-emergency medical needs. From the comfort of your home, or wherever you have internet access, you can consult with a licensed professional. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who may have limited access to traditional healthcare facilities, busy schedules, or transportation challenges. The platform addresses a variety of health concerns. These include common illnesses like colds, flu, and allergies, as well as chronic condition management for issues such as diabetes and hypertension. Beyond physical health, Doctor On Demand also recognizes the importance of mental well-being and provides access to mental health professionals. This integrated approach to healthcare acknowledges the interconnectedness of physical and mental health. Whether you need a prescription refill, a diagnosis for a nagging cough, or support for managing stress and anxiety, the platform seeks to provide a comprehensive solution. Navigating the website and setting up an appointment appears straightforward. Users can browse the available healthcare professionals and choose a provider who best suits their needs. The platform also likely integrates insurance information, potentially streamlining the payment process and providing cost transparency. While the specific details of insurance coverage may vary, having this feature integrated within the platform offers added convenience for users. This can eliminate the hassle of dealing with complex billing procedures after the appointment. Doctor On Demand seemingly strives to make healthcare accessible and user-friendly in a digital age, bringing the doctor's office to you virtually.